Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. It's your girl Jennifer and you are highly welcome back to my channel. To my returnees, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. And to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to this channel. I appreciate you guys. And if you're just in this channel for the first time, please consider to subscribe to join the family and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you guys. So guys, today's video, I said let me share with you guys what I prepared for someone for his kid's birthday, guys. I prepared jollof rice and I'm turning my turkey, as you guys can see here right now. So guys, nothing much. I said let me just share it with you guys. Enjoy the video and enjoy my yummy jollof rice. Thank you guys. Till we see in our next video. Bye bye.